So, hello friends, my name is Raj and welcome to the Bookvy. Today, I am a maths teacher and we are going to learn a very interesting chapter of the maths, that is We the Travelers. So, first of all, what is traveler or what is traveling actually? So, here you can see this is a textbook actually. I don't prefer textbook mostly, but as you think, what is traveling actually? Traveling a thing which you go one place to another place or you see many things in there. Let's go further. So what the actually traveling means? How you ever travel to a new place? Where did you go? Which vehicle did you use? How long did your journey take? Which place did you enjoy the most? What you like to visit that place again? Suppose you are going with your parents or your grandparents or your friends and family. You are going anywhere at any place for any purpose. Suppose you are going to your native place. Suppose you are going anywhere by a train, by a aeroplane, by car, anything. The most common thing in this chapter we are going to learn about the numbers, which the travelers shows the actual way that was the what is the actual number is. You can see in the picture. In this picture, you will see that previous decade, before 100 years back, the people used to travel with the bullet car, cycles, using the walking and all. If you see in the modern generation, we used to do the travel with the many aeroplanes, aircraft, trains, bullet trains, cars, etc. We have many sources for the traveling, right? So every day millions of people travel for school. Of course, you are studying in the class 5th, so you travel for the school, your father travel for work, and everywhere going for a travel with some purpose, right? Now, you are telling that, sir, what is actually the subject you are teaching about? So see student, the travelers is not just for the enjoyment and all. We see many numbers while using or while having a traveling. For example, you are traveling with a train. So there is a ticket which you are carrying. They have the some certain amount of numbers like the ticket price, ticket PNR numbers and all. Also the distance you cover from that train. So the maths is all around everywhere. So this is the way you should see the numbers in your various technologies and technologies field. So today we will discover how the people travel, different means of transports and large number and rounding of numbers. People used to go to the school for the work, for the holidays, for the shopping, for the hospital, for the religious place and the friends and family. You also visit with the friends and families. So, what is the purpose of the traveling? Previously, people used to walk with the walking, bullet cart, horses, boat, camel. And today's generation kids are used to travel with bicycle, bike, car, bus, trains, etc. So, you will ask, sir, what is the use of the number in this subject, right? So, the numbers which are used, like suppose you are a student of a class where 100 students are sitting. The 100 students, maybe some of them are absent, some of them are present. So, that's also a number. Suppose you are going to a library for the studies. There are thousands of books. You may not count that book, but you used to read that book. So, we don't know the actual number. But we know there are certain amounts and certain numbers of books, right? Now, also the population. Suppose you are living in any city. The population is also a number, which you have to count the numbers. Also, most of the today's generation kid are used to watch the YouTube videos and all. And then also the many subscribers and millions of views and all are going through the very internal way. So, this all are the certain number which is stored in this, and the CBSE board had prepared a one chapter named as We the Travelers. So in this we are going to study first what is the large number. So the large numbers is stand for the large actually. Large numbers means the length of the number or the size of the number depends on the value of that number. Suppose you have a value 1, is so small amount, right? Second, you have a 10. Yeah, okay. 10 is also a number. 100 is also a number. 1000, 10,000. So below that, every number having a certain value. And by increasing that value, it prefers some outstanding that are the different places to write the large number. So suppose your parents have given you 1000 rupees. Every month you are saving 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees. After 1 year, after 12 months, how many, answer me, how many money you will save? Suppose you are getting 1k for a month. So after 12 months, how much money do you make? It's a simple answer, sir. Cat. So this is a very simple answer. We'll count 1000. We add the 1000 number for 12 times, like here it is written. We'll count the 1000 for the 10 times and then also for the 2 times. So it becomes the 12,000. So you have saved the 12,000 rupees at the end of the year. So this is the actual meaning of the numbers in the last term of the traveling way. Now, we'll go with the next topic, the nth and the 10th term. See, in the previous classes or a previous class or standard, you have learned the thing this about OT. So what is the OT, STH? We don't know anything. You have learned this before. This is the 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay? Got it? So, suppose you are having your father have given you 10,000 rupees. Okay? Why we write this comma? To read the things properly, to read the number properly. Suppose your father give you 10,000 rupees. Okay? Then you have asked your mother to give me some money. Your mother give you 50 rupees. Okay? So now you add 10,000 plus 50. It will become 10,050. So sir, how would I read this number, or how would I know that what is the actual this stand for? So see, always you have to go from the back. Actually the maths is always work from the back only. You have to read the questions also from the back. You have to read the numbers also from the back. So we'll read from the year. This is a unit place. This in a tenth. You have learned in the first, second standard, I know. But still, this is the unit place. This is in the tens place, and this in the 1000, 100 place. This in the 1000 place, and this in the 10,000 place. So, sir, how would I read this? It's very simple. If your number is in the 10,000 place, 10,000, there is no number between 100, it's a 0, nothing. But yeah, in the tens place there is 5. And beyond that, read that number is having a 10, 20, 30. So you will read it as a 10,050 rupees. That's it. That's the simple concept of rounding off. Now we'll go with the rounding off. What is rounding off? This is the simple term of this method. Now we'll go with the rounding off. What is rounding off? So see student, whenever you are having some money, like your parents have given you 750, you told them, why you don't give me 1000 rupees? Because this approximately stand for the 1000 rupees, no? So round off is also a thing which are using to do the round up. It's the simple, in a simple language we'll use to say is a round up or a round figure we used to do. Round figure. Okay, so what is round figure and what is the golden rule? First of all, we'll understand the round figure. Suppose you have 3,560 rupees. Okay, so 3,560. Why this extra 60 is written here? Why it is not 50 or more than 50 or anything else? Why you have only given this much of amount? See, in the mathematics, the chapter is also written in about this. We the travelers. So you travel many places, right? They don't give you the like exact traveling kilometers and all. They are used to given in certain way of writing this. So first of all, what the golden rule stands for? See, if you are having and rupees of like 2,150. So you will tell, sir, how would I know that this money is approximate about 2,000 or above 2,000? How would I know that? So there is a golden rule which has been present in your school book. Okay, so what is the golden rule? First of all, Suppose you are having a line where if you go below 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to stop between in the front of 4, and then if you are go above than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the golden rule stand out? If your number, which number, always look, you have to do the numbers this, you have to see the numbers of the tens place. First you have to see from the unit place, then tens place, then hundred place, and then you will decide how we are doing the round figures and all. Okay, so if whenever your unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and unit, tens, hundred, you have to see these three numbers where these numbers, if these numbers are below this 0, 1, 2, 3, then you have to go down. What? You have to go down. You have to down the price. See, if I am getting a 2,100 rupees, right? If I am getting 2,100 rupees, for example, I have seen that unit place having a zero value. Okay, now tens place also having a zero value, and my hundred place is also having a zero value. We have to check only these three values. Okay, we have seen these three values. Now tell me, the zero is below the golden rule or above the golden rule? Tell me. Right, below the golden rule. So that means you have to go down. So now what's the round figure of this become? What's the round figure of my 21,000 become? 2100 become? It will become 2000. Okay, so this is what the golden rule stands for. I know you not understand properly. You have not understand properly. Let me give you some examples. Okay. First of all, you all understood what is the golden rule stands for. So there is a line where there are total 10 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to write before that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there are these numbers. If the numbers are below 0, 1, 2, 3, we have to drop the price or we have to go the down. If the numbers are above 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to go up. Simple rule. So now we'll go with the example. Here number is written 2346. Okay, 2346. What I have taught you that what's the golden rule says that first you have to check the number of the unit place, tens place, and hundred place. This what the stands for. Okay, so see, first in the unit place there is a 6, at the tens place it is a 4, and a hundred place it is a 3. So our first number is only our first number, that is at unit place, it is 6. So according to the golden rule, what says that this 6 go up or down? Up, right? Okay, so means it's go up, that means the price will become grower. So now this 2346 will take a round off. Round off means you have to take an exact tens amount where it should be an what we call it? This should be an positive or a positive and even number. Sorry, even number. We have to make it for the even number, which is closer to that side. Okay, so now this number have become the 2350. Okay, because what our golden rule says that your 6 is a greater at a unit place, so it will become above the, it will go above, so it will be it become 2350. Second example, 6999. Now you guys answer me. Suppose 6999. What do you see here? At a unit place there is a 9, at tens place there is also 9, and hundred place, yes, there is also 9. So there are too many 9s. Okay, we don't have to see many things. Okay, we just have to look at for the tens place and the unit place. Is the tens place and unit place is above 5 or below 5, or above 4 or below 4? It's above 5, right? So what's the golden rule say? If your number is above 5, then you have to go up. What? Up. So 6999, we will go up for the round figure and it will become 7000. What? 7000. So someone is taking my test and telling me do the round figure of this. So what you will do? Suppose an imaginary number you have given like 4, 5, 2, 6. So sir, what the round figure I will do? What is this? I don't know. You don't have to be a panic. You simply know the formula of golden rule. What's the golden rule say? If your unit place is above 5 or below 5, you have to directly use the golden formula, and formula put answer get. Formula put answer get. So the 6 number is above 5. So what's the golden rule say? You have to go up. So you have to make this 4530. See, why I am writing this 30 instead of 20 to 20? Suppose you have a number. I have told you, take a number from 5 to 10. You will say, okay sir, what's the number? 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So sir, in this, what I will tell, sir, I am having a 6, 8. Okay, this two number. So which is closer to the 10? 8 or 9? More closer? Which number is closer than 6, 7, 8, 9? All are the closer. Okay. So they all attract towards the tens number, to the tens number, like as a 10 digit number. So whenever the golden rules go up, it will always attract to your tens number, which is closer to your tens problem. And if you are having a number like 7501, so how will you do this? It's also simple. You just have to check the unit place, you just have to check the tens place, and then the hundred place. You only have to check the two things, that is unit and the tens place, that is 1 and 0. 1 and 0 stands below the 5. Below the 5 means golden rule. What the golden rule says? Round down, round down. You have to go down. So what is the down of the 7501? We have to make that sensible amount or a round off. So it will become 7500. Okay? Understand this? Very simple concept. Now, the next and very interesting thing we will learn in this chapter, that is rabbit activity. Okay, so in your textbook also there are something written. I will show you this also. They are usually giving us the pronunciation. How will I know you all are guys are smart and enough to know these simple things? These are not too much hectic for us. This is not a rocket science. You all are smart enough, I know. So suppose here is written, let us how we numbers beyond 10,000, and now we write the same way as a number below, 9,999. You can use the token given in the end of the book. Okay, so they are giving a number and a token also. Okay, a token amount, right? So they have given a 10,000 rupees and a one token. So now what's the number become now? 10,001. So we have to simply, they have given the 10th place, th place, as to number name. Okay, so what is this? I have already taught you, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000. So we have to just simply see what is the one in a ones place. So what we'll see in a unit place, that is 1. Yes sir, unit place is 1. In the tens place is 0. Yes sir. In 100, 0. Yes sir. And a 10,000 place, yes sir, 0. Or 1,000 place, 0. And 10,000, there is 1. Okay sir, I have got it, that whenever my number will become, I have to just simply make the unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. And how would I read this? 10,001. Because you will see no number is between this 10,000 and tens. You have to just read it as a 10,001 rupees. Only 10,001 rupees. That's it. Now you have got the 2 token, so it will become 10,002. You have become the 10, so it shift to the tens place. Now what it will become? 10,010 rupees. See, this is the simple maths. I know you all know, you are a CBSE board student, so you all know everything about this. Okay. Now, this is are also simple. We have to just simply break the things into a multiple aspects. For example, what they are trying to say, that we have given a number, for example 5,750. So how would I read this and write this if they have told us that we have to divide it into 1,000 part? There is nothing maths in this. For example, suppose okay, so this is the unit place, tens place, the 100 place, and 10,000. 1000 place, sorry, 1000 place. So you have seen here what is written. There are 5,000, sorry. There are 5,700, 5 tens and 0 unit. So how will write this in the data coding method? Okay, see, they have told that there are 5,000. Okay, there are 5,000. So sir, there are box, there are 1,000, 2,000. We have prepared a 5 box. Okay, we have prepared a 5 box in which we have 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Simply, what this say? That you have 5,000. Okay, I have 5 number of 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay, and I have 700. Okay, you have given 700. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 700 we have given. So 100, 100, 100, 100, 100 and 100. Okay sir, we have made the 5,000, we have made the 700s, okay, and we have to make 5 tens. 5 tens means we have to make a column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, where the number should be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And there are 0 units. So there is not only 0 unit. So 0 unit.